Hey guys, this is our 2012 Lexus RX350. What I'm going to do today is I actually want to swap out the daytime running lights. They're a 9005 bulb with a set of LED bulbs that I purchased off eBay. And there's the bulbs themselves. Again, so what I'm going to do is take out the halogen bulb and swap out with the LED. And again, in order to access the driver's side, you can go right where the battery's at, and it's a little hard to see, but you can actually access the bulb without having to take out the access cover on top of the car. In other words, taking out all of this plastic panel. So there's the factory bulb. Again, it's a halogen 9005, and I'm swapping it out with this LED unit. And this is actually rated at 6500 Kelvin. That's the color temperature, and they're supposed to last approximately 50,000 hours. Now, I certainly doubt it will last that long, but we'll wait and see. Again, I did another video installing LED bulbs in my old 2012 Chev Equinox, if you want to check out that video too. So what I'm going to do is install this into the little hole there. Sorry about the reflection. So the new LED bulb's installed. It fits in there really good. And this is supposed to be a waterproof unit, so there's no issue with moisture on the outside of the bulb casing. So let's give it a try and see how it looks. Alright, so this is the new LED. You can see how nice and white it is. Looks like it's flickering a little bit on the video. And there's the original halogen bulb, how much yellowish it is compared to the LED. And I can even tell right now, just by looking at it like this, the LED's probably at least twice as bright as the halogen bulb. Here's just a look from inside the garage. Again, that's the halogen, how it's quite yellowish, and the LED with a really nice white bulb. So it's going to be nice when driving there, and it's a lot safer in my opinion. And that's just actually a view of what the bulb looks like itself. And let's get over to the halogen bulb on the driver's side. And nice thing with the LED too, it's supposed to use a lot less power. So when I'm replacing the bulb on the passenger side, you're actually going to have to take off this plastic cover, which has all these little retaining clips. And all you do is take a real fine flathead screwdriver and put it right in there, and you just pull up the center part of the clip without breaking it. Or you can actually buy a tool to pop up the clips, but this is what I have to use. And this is just showing the new LED bulb and the wire that comes out where you can actually plug it into the factory light bulb plug. And again, this is the passenger side, and it goes right in that hole, easily accessed with popping off the plastic trim piece. And there's the new LED bulb installed on the passenger side. So we'll start the truck and see how it looks. And there we go. The passenger side's all taken care of. Again, it's amazing what the difference is in the light output with the new LED bulbs compared to the old halogen bulbs again. And again, it looks like it's probably flickering on video. It's a nice solid light here in person. Alright guys, so the LED lights are all installed, and the difference from those and the halogen is night and day, literally. Again, this is a nice rainy day mod you can do to your vehicle. Again, these were purchased off eBay. I think they were just under $20 delivered to Canada. And literally you could do this in less than probably 5 minutes to your vehicle. So we'll see how long these last. Again, I had them on another vehicle, a little bit different model of the LED bulbs, and for approximately a year, and they were still running fine when we sold the vehicle. Anyways guys, just wanted to show a small cheap mod you can do to any vehicle to update the look a little bit visually when you're driving, and getting away from the old yellow halogen bulbs. The next one I'm going to be doing is the fog lights, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Have a great day.